Hello everyone, myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. Our today's topic is also active and passive voice. In active and passive voice, today we specially focus on interrogative sentences. In previous lectures, we have learned about the affirmative sentence, negative sentence, but interrogative sentence we learn in this part, and we will discuss about most of all types of interrogative sentences. So let's start with first one. Is he playing cricket in the playground? So now is means here it's a to be form, but to be form as a form of interrogative word. यहाँ पे जो is हुआ verb यूज हुआ है वो एज वी नो लाइक वर्ब है, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग उसको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंस में एक क्वेश्चन वर्ड के रूप में देखेंगे. सो यहाँ पे ही सब्जेक्ट है, प्लेइंग वर्ब है, क्रिकेट ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो इस सेंटेंस को हम लोगों को नाउ पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. Students, I would like to say you that you will not get only one and one type of sentences in this part. You will get both type, यानी कि active into passive and passive into active type of sentences. So is remain is how? Because your object is cricket. Now you have to choose your to be form after choosing your object. So my object is cricket, so cricket is definitely is. So is cricket. Playing divided into being and played. So I use being, and after removing this ing, play convert into played. Extra word in the playground, in the playground. By he convert into him. Again वापस देखते हैं सेंटेंस को. Okay, first I have to choose my subject, verb, object. Now my object is cricket in singular form. So यहाँ पे मैंने object लिखा, but मेरा object कौन सा है? Cricket है और singular है. So there is no change in to be form. Now यहाँ ही की प्लेस पे हम लोगों ने क्रिकेट लिखा है, तो ही के नेक्स्ट क्या है? प्लेइंग है. नाउ प्लेइंग कन्वर्ट इनटू प्ले प्लस ing. सो ing with being, so it's being, and play convert into played. Extra word in the playground, we have to write in the playground. The whole action done by he, so now he convert into him. Second one is where is he putting his camera? Now where is he putting his camera? Here he is subject, putting is verb, his camera is object. So here where remain where. Whenever we have students wh word like where, when, how many, we do not need to change its place. So where remain where, but our object is his camera is our object. So now we have to put his camera object in place of subject. So here I put that subject his camera, but his camera is a singular one. So his camera is singular one. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को easy लिखना होगा, कोई change नहीं होगा यहाँ पे to be form में भी. So where is his camera? Now after is putting, we have the putting convert into put plus ing. So being put, there is no change in put, because as we know put, there is no change in any form of to be. Then whole action is done by he, so by he convert into him. Students, make sure that just do not confuse with subject and object, because whenever you have interrogative sentence, maybe there is a chances of confusing between both. Now who is teaching you now? Whenever we have question using who, it means our subject is missing, and our subject is missing, so we do not have any after write by. बाय के बाद लिखने के लिए हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमारा सब्जेक्ट तो ऑलरेडी मिसिंग है. नाउ दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू राइट हु इन का पैसिव में लिखना होगा बाय हुम. बट यू हैव ऑब्जेक्ट एंड योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज यू, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट आपको टू बी फॉर्म चूज करना होगा. सो मैंने इसके जगह पे लिखा है यहाँ पे आर, बिकॉज मेरा नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट क्या है? यू. सो हु कन्वर्ट इनटू बाय हुम, यू here in place of subject. Now according to your new subject you have to change your to be form. So is converted into I. Teaching, it's being taught. Now in question mark, by कहाँ है? तो by beginning of the sentence है. Next one is fourth, which of the teachers is teaching you English? Again you do not have subject, आपके पास subject नहीं है, because इसका जो आंसर है वो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, तो यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट मिसिंग है. बट टीचिंग वर्ब है तो यू हैव टू ऑब्जेक्ट, यू ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 1 एंड इंग्लिश ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 2. यू कैन चूज एनी व्हेन यू आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस सेंटेंस इनटू एक्टिव वन और पैसिव वन, बट हम लोग यहाँ पे दोनों का यूज़ करेंगे. चलो, which of the teachers convert into by which of the teachers. And second thing that remember whenever you have a question using which and especially your criteria like teacher, any place or any about something, यानी कि जो भी चीज़ हो लेकिन वो which के साथ connected हो तो पूरा phrase लिखना होता है. So which convert into by which of the teachers remain of the teachers. Now teaching is your verb and you is your object. So you it means it's new subject, तो आपने you यहाँ पे लिखा तो definitely according to you you have to write, you have to choose your to be form, and this one is are. Now teaching convert into teach plus taught and this remain this English remain English, there is a no change, आपको वहाँ पे as it is लिखना होगा. Next one is by which of the teachers is English being taught to you. Now आपका second object जो था वो English था, तो आपको इसको ध्यान में रख के यहाँ पे sentence को convert करना होगा. तो बाय विच ऑफ द टीचर्स रिमेन एज इट इज़, यहाँ का पूरा सेंटेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. आपका जो नया यानी कि सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है, लेकिन आपका जो सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट है देयर इज़ वन यानी कि सिंगुलर फॉर्म, तो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है यानी कि डेफिनेटली आपको यूज़ करना होगा टू बी फॉर्म इज़. नाउ टीचिंग कन्वर्ट इनटू बीइंग टॉट एंड व्हेनेवर वी आर कनेक्टिंग अवर सेंटेंस विद एनी प्रोनाउन वी हैव टू राइट हियर टू यू. यहाँ पे जब दो हमारे पास ऐसे होते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड सेंटेंस को हम लोगों को प्रोनाउन के साथ कनेक्ट करना होगा लास्ट में, तो हम लोग टू का यूज़ करेंगे. फिफ्थ वन इज़ व्हाट वर यू डूइंग एट 8 o'clock. नाउ व्हाट रिमेन व्हाट एंड व्हेनेवर यू क्वेश्चन यूजिंग व्हाट योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज मिसिंग, योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज मिसिंग. सो व्हाट रिमेन व्हाट. नाउ योर सब्जेक्ट इज यू, डूइंग योर वर्ब. सो वॉट वॉज बींग डन, जो ये डूइंग है हम लोग किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, वॉज बींग डन. हियर वी यूज वर्ब बिकॉज अवर सब्जेक्ट इज यू, दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू यूज वर्ब. बट हियर वी आर नॉट स्पेसिफाई विद एनी टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, हम लोग को पता ही नहीं कि ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है हमारा, सिंगुलर है प्लूरल है, तो जैसा हम लोगों ने क्या यूज़ कर दिया यहाँ पे वॉज इज कम्प्लीटली राइट. सो वॉट डूइंग, तो यहाँ पे वॉज बींग डन बाय यू एट 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is a time indicating word, so we cannot use in middle of the sentence. Again what remain what, work converted into was, doing converted into being done by you at 8 o'clock. Next one is why have you brought only textbook. Now why have you brought only textbook, you is your subject, brought is your verb and any only textbook is your object. Now convert into passive one, so why remain why and according to you we have used here plural to be form यानी कि have. In only textbooks, only textbook is also in not in singular form, it's also in plural form यानी कि एक textbook नहीं उससे ज़्यादा है. So have remain have. Why have only textbooks, have has है, so यहाँ पे been compulsory आएगा, brought remain brought, by you convert into object. Seventh one, which girl has submitted the assignment. Now here the assignment is singular, do not consider as. So which girl convert into first of all by which, girl remain girl, because हम लोग को जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछ मीन्स आस्क कर रहे हैं या पूछ रहे हैं यहाँ पे वो क्राइटेरिया क्या है, किसको ध्यान में रख के पूछ रहे हैं, तो गर्ल को ध्यान में रख के पूछ रहे हैं. सो द विच गर्ल कन्वर्ट इनटू बाय विच गर्ल. हैज़ रिमेन हैज़ बिकॉज जो हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है असाइनमेंट वो हमारा नया सब्जेक्ट बनने जा रहा है, वो असाइनमेंट है सिंगुलर है, दैट्स वाई हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हैज़. हैव हैज़ आएगा तो यहाँ पे कंपल्सरी बीन होगा, सबमिटेड रिमेन सबमिटेड. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट हैड रंगप्पा won the tiger before firing the gun. Now had the Rangappa is subject, won is verb and the tiger is object. But the before firing the gun में कोई change नहीं आएगा. Whenever we have sentence using that after, before and when, while, just do not convert it into a passive or active one, just leave it as it is. So in first sentence we will do the change and had remain had. Our object is the tiger, so we have to put in place of subject. Now in with had we have been benefit that there is no need of singular and plural object and subject. जो भी होगा हमारा तो to be form में had ही आएगा. So had new subject the tiger, had है that's why been, won remain won. ये second benefits है have has had का कि जो भी verb होता है वो always past participle में ही होता है, तो वहाँ पे कोई change नहीं आएगा. होल एक्शन डन बाय रंगा, तो यहाँ मैंने सब्जेक्ट था रंगा, उसको यहाँ पे प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट लिखा है. और बिफोर फायरिंग द गन एज इट इज आएगा, क्योंकि वैसे भी हम लोग को वहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं करना है. 9th वन इज हु हैड ब्रोकन द ग्लास व्हेन आई वेंट आउटसाइड. नाउ अगेन व्हेन आउटसाइड में कोई चेंज नहीं करना है. हु कन्वर्ट इनटू बाय whom, had remain had. The glass is your object, so put in place of subject. So by whom had the glass had है, that's why been, broken remain broken when I went outside. 10th one is had Shekhar been punished by his uncle. Now again had remain had. Shekhar is subject and his uncle is object. चलो convert करते हैं. So had his uncle punished Shekhar. हम लोगों ने बीन रिमूव किया. रीजन दिस वन इज पैसिव सेंटेंस और हम लोगों ने कन्वर्ट किया है उसको एक्टिव सेंटेंस में. सो हैड रिमेन हैड, हिज अंकल इज ऑब्जेक्ट, नाउ इट्स इन प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. बीन रिमूव्ड, पनिश रिमेन पनिश एंड द होल एक्शन डन बाय शेखर, सो यहाँ पे आएगा शेखर. 7th वन इज बिफोर आफ्टर शेखर वी हैव टू पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क लास्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. In 11th one, could we have been treated kindly by the ministers? Now could we have been treated, been and the by indicate that this one is a passive sentence. Our object is ministers and could is our question word. So could the ministers, new subject, have remain have, treated remain treated, we convert into us, kindly remain kindly, but been is removed because we have to convert this sentence into active one. Again could में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, नया सब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे. द मिनिस्टर्स हैव क्यों है, बिकॉज दिस वन इज परफेक्ट मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी है, तो कुड के डायरेक्ट बाद हम लोग कभी भी पास्ट या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब का यूज नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज हियर हैव एज अ रूट फॉर्म एंड वी कन्वर्ट इनटू अस, काइंडली रिमेन काइंडली. नेक्स्ट वन इज couldn't some industries have been established by the local authority. Now couldn't यानी कि here interrogative negative word is there. Couldn't remain couldn't, but been and by both indicate that this one is passive sentence. So some industries subject है, local authority object है. Now object in place of subject, so couldn't the local authority have remain have, been removed, established remain established some industries. Couldn't the local authority have established some industries? Mostly in examination also there is only 1 mark question, and it's also asked like this, like we have sentence by whom is the CSMCRI going to be visited, in question mark in bracket we have that convert into active or convert into passive, depend on sentence. So here by whom, so by whom, so indicate this one is a passive sentence. Second indication of passive sentence is this, to be visited. Now in active में क्या होगा, by whom convert into who, is remain is. Now the CSMCRI is here subject, so who is going to visit the CSMCRI. यहाँ पे जो सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस के सेंटेंसेस है, इट विल हेल्प यू टू चेक योर लर्निंग. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट वन. by which of the soldiers must the appreciation have been won? Again been, so it's a and by indicate towards a passive sentence, so convert into active one. Will Jia have been advised by you? Again just try to find out the sentence. Next one is how many runs had the Indian players scored in the last test match? Fourth one, who had conquered Kalinga? Fifth one, who had fought with Indians before independence? So before independence there is no change. with which purpose have you paid the fees? Now this one is I think new for you. We have discussed sentence of which, but here with which. Whenever you have any preposition यानी कि with or from, with which, there is no change with it, there is no need of write by, just go with which purpose. ये यहाँ पे as it is रहेगा. The last one is that why wasn't Miss Nisi eating heavy meal? So just convert it into active or into passive one, and if you have any doubts or problem, just go through with our previous videos. So students, this one is your last part of active and passive voice. In new part we will discuss new point. Thank you so much. Just keep watching our channel and like us. Thank you.